Hi guys, welcome to my channel Easy Baking / Cooking with Swapna Kumar. Today we'll make eggless black forest cake. For that we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl and keep it aside. The wet ingredients that we need are yogurt, oil, milk and black coffee. Mix everything in a bowl. Now mix the wet mixture to the dry mixture properly and fold it very slowly. See that there are no lumps. Now put the batter in the baking tray and bake the cake for 10 minutes in microwave. Your cake is ready. Enjoy your eggless black forest cake. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.